If your Robinhood crypto wallet has been suspended, you can follow these steps to re-enable it. This guide will help you navigate the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with the correct credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Look for the settings option in the menu. Step 3. Check notifications. In the settings menu, check for any notifications or alerts regarding your wallet suspension. This section may provide specific reasons for the suspension and any required actions. Step 4. Follow instructions. Before starting recovery, use the iSoc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact support. If you cannot resolve the suspension through the app, contact Robinhood support directly. Use the help section to find the contact options and provide them with details about your issue for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to re-enable your suspended Robinhood crypto wallet. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further help.